Hi all, welcome back to Learn with me. In this video, we'll learn how to get skilled up with advanced MS Excel, which is a basic necessity for many a job. Here, we are using elearnmarkets online website for learning advanced MS Excel. The link for the same is available in the description box. By clicking on the link, you'll be directed to the official website. But before revealing the secret, don't forget to hit subscribe and share the video with your friends if you feel it's useful for them. And let me know on the comment section which courses do you prefer to do. Once you enter into the official website of elearnmarkets, you can see a login button on the right hand corner. You can simply log in using your Gmail account, Facebook, or Apple ID, or simply with your email ID. Okay. Once you have registered, you can simply find out the course by typing on the search bar Advanced MS Excel Tutorial Online. Here you can find the course, which is worth rupees 1,475. You can view the details by clicking View Detail button. So here you can see that the course is valid for 3 years and it's a self-paced recorded session. In the course highlight, we can find out that the course contains 27 videos with 10 plus hours of content and 10 plus supplementary study materials. And in the preview, we can find out the preview of students who have already enrolled for the course and completed the course. So a score of 4.4 on 5 is given for the course. Next one is outline of the course. So the course has two sections. One is advanced training on Microsoft Excel and a test, and about the exams. So definitely you have to go through an examination to get the certification. So the exam will be on a MCQ basis and for a duration of 1.5 hours. So minimum of 40% is required for qualifying the examination, and there will be no negative marks for the students. So the section also specifies about the procedure to download certificate. Once you have completed the course, you can download the certificate by going to My Course tab, and you can get the certificate by clicking Get Certificate tab. Finally, there is a discussion forum for you students to clarify your doubts. All the students who have their doubts can be clarified through these discussion forums. Click Enroll Now. Here you can see that the course is worth 1,250 and IGST of 225 is imposed on it, and in total we have to pay 1,475. If we apply a coupon code over here, that is, the code is code 100 and apply, we'll get the course for free. Okay, so you can see the change over here. The amount payable is 0. Now you can start the course by clicking on Start Learning. Learn with me will be back with lot of videos to skill up during this lockdown.